1 birds. So children, take out your book and open page number 7. Children, here is identify the following birds. First one is D dash C dash. You fill it U C K. Duck. D U C K. Duck. Duck are found in pond, rivers, lakes and oceans. Okay? And do you know duck love the water? Okay. Second one is C dash O dash. You fill it R O W. Crow. C R O W. Crow. C R O W. Crow. Children, do you know crow is a very clever bird and it is found all over the world. Okay, next one is P dash R R dash T. You fill it A R R O T. Parrot. Again P A R R O T. Parrot. Parrots have a curved beak and have colored feathers. Okay, next one is O dash L. O W L. Owl. An owl is a bird that hates the light and it eats insects. Okay. Next one is E dash G L dash. Okay. E A G L E. Eagle. E A G L E. Eagle. Eagles are large powerful bird of prey. There are 60 different kind of eagles. Okay. Next one is P dash G E dash N. P I G E O N. P I G E O N. Pigeon. Okay. Pigeons are very intelligent birds. Okay. Next one is S P dash R R dash W. You fill it A R R O W. S P A R R O W. Sparrow. Sparrows are small birds that have brown, grey, white and black colored plumage. Okay. Next and last one is P dash A C dash C K. You fill it E A C O C K. Peacock. Again say P E A C O C K. Peacock. Children, do you know peacock is our national bird and it is so beautiful. Okay children? So children, I hope you all are understood this chapter. You learn this chapter again at your home and we will meet you again in next class. Okay, thank you children. Stay at home, stay safe.